Hi, I'm Kevin Preston with Boniface Hires Auto Group, and I'm here to tell you about the 2023 Dodge Charger Super Bee Special Edition. Included on the Super Bee is an 8.4-inch Uconnect entertainment system, which includes the SRT dashboard, giving you features such as line lock, adjustable launch control with different RPM choices to launch at, as well as the performance pages gauges to give you an accurate idea of what's going on while you push this car to the limit. This particular vehicle also includes the carbon and suede option package, so you'll get authentic carbon fiber treatment on the interior, a suede headliner, suede inserts on the seat to hold you in place, as well as a slew of other carbon fiber treatments spaced throughout the interior to give you a nice curb appeal. Prominently featured on the front of the Super Bee is the classic Super Bee emblem. It's equipped with functional hood scoops, including some that allow cold air to pass through that radiator, allowing proper cooling of the motor. Down low, the grille includes ducting to the brake works, as well as some cold air ducting up to the airbox. The whole thing is rounded out with black back-plated functional hood pins, keeping everything down and secure at speed. One of the defining features of this drag-oriented machine is the 3-mode adaptive suspension system. This adaptive dampening system allows the driver to include modes such as drag mode, which is going to give you optimal weight transfer to the rear wheels. Equipped with the 20-inch Nextons, that's going to really help get that power to the ground and get this thing launched down the track fast. Thanks for watching. Follow us for more videos on cars just like this one, and if you want to take a look at this Super Bee, come down to Boniface Hires Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Cocoa, Florida. Thank you.